Looking for the best RC cars for beginners on Amazon? Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your first vehicle, there are plenty of great options that offer ease of use, durability, and fun. The top models feature beginner-friendly controls, rugged designs, and impressive speed and performance to keep you entertained. From off-road vehicles to on-road racers, these cars are built to handle various terrains while offering smooth driving experiences. With affordability and quality in mind, we've selected 6 of the best RC cars that are perfect for newcomers. Let's dive into the top options to help you get started in the exciting world of remote control vehicles. Number 1. QUNREDA RC cars for beginner. The QUNREDA remote control car is an exciting 4WD stunt car designed for kids ages 6 to 12. With its LED lights and the ability to perform 360-degree flips, this car provides hours of fun and thrilling action. The 2.4 GHz frequency allows for stable and interference-free control, making it perfect for multiple users to race together. Equipped with upgraded USB-C modular batteries, this car offers long-lasting playtime and easy recharging. Ideal for 8 to 10-year-old boys, it combines durability and performance, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor play. With its rugged build and impressive stunt capabilities, this RC car is a fantastic gift for young enthusiasts. Experience endless fun and adventure with this high-speed, stunt-performing vehicle. Number 2. BLUEJAY RC, cars for beginner. The BLUEJAY remote control car is a high-speed 2.4 GHz RC truck designed for thrilling off-road fun. Capable of reaching speeds up to 33 km/h, this 1/12 scale monster truck is perfect for both kids, ages 8 to 12, and adults. It features LED headlights for exciting nighttime play and ensures a smooth experience on various terrains. With its durable build, this truck can tackle dirt paths, grass, and rough surfaces, providing hours of enjoyment. The rechargeable battery offers extended playtime, keeping the fun going for longer. Whether racing or cruising, the BLUEJAY RC truck is an ideal gift for those who love fast, adventurous outdoor activities. Get ready for a high-speed, action-packed experience. Number 3. HYPERGO RC, cars for beginner. The HYPERGO H16BM 116 RTR brushless RC car is built for speed and durability, making it perfect for adults who enjoy high-performance off-road action. Capable of reaching speeds up to 42 mph, this electric 4x4 truck offers an exhilarating driving experience on various terrains. With its brushless motor, it delivers smooth and powerful performance, while the included 2 LiPo batteries provide extended playtime. The car is also compatible with 3S LiPo batteries for even greater speed and power. Whether you're racing on dirt tracks, gravel, or rough terrain, the H16BM offers exceptional control and stability. Ideal for RC enthusiasts, this fast, rugged truck is ready for intense outdoor adventures. Number 4. Hamdol RC, cars for beginner. The Hamdol remote control car for 6-12-year-olds is an exciting and durable 4WD stunt car designed for hours of fun. With double-sided 360-degree rotating capabilities, this car can perform impressive flips and tricks, making it perfect for adventurous kids. The 2.4 GHz frequency ensures stable, interference-free control, allowing multiple cars to race together without issues. Equipped with headlights, it adds a cool effect, making it perfect for both day and night play. The rechargeable battery offers extended playtime, while the rugged design allows it to handle various terrains with ease. This RC car is an ideal birthday gift for boys and girls, offering excitement, speed, and durability for endless entertainment. Number 5. Force One RC, cars for beginner. The Force One Tornado blue LED remote control car is an exciting and durable 4-wheel drive off-road vehicle perfect for kids who love adventure. Designed with double-sided driving, it can perform 360-degree flips and stunts, providing endless entertainment. The all-terrain tires make it suitable for various surfaces, from dirt paths to grass, ensuring fun indoors or outdoors. With a 2.4 GHz remote, it allows for stable and interference-free control, even when multiple cars are racing at the same time. The rechargeable battery offers extended playtime, so the fun doesn't stop easily. With its vibrant LED lights and rugged design, this RC car is a perfect gift for kids who love fast action and thrilling stunts. Number 6. PHYWESS RC Cars for Beginner. The PHYWESS remote control car is the perfect off-road truck for boys and girls ages 5 to 7. Designed with a 20 km/h speed, this monster truck delivers exciting high-speed fun. The 2.4 GHz frequency ensures smooth, interference-free control, allowing for stable play with multiple cars. Featuring car body lights and headlights, it's ideal for both daytime and nighttime adventures. Its durable design allows it to tackle various terrains, making it great for outdoor exploration. Whether cruising on dirt or grass, this RC truck offers endless fun for kids, a fantastic gift for a 6-year-old girl or boy. This truck combines speed, style, and rugged durability for hours of entertainment and adventure.